Okay, we're going to show you how to make your own tools now. And in case you didn't buy one of our squeegees, I'm going to show you how to make a squeegee. And of course, you don't have a heat roller, so I'm going to show you how to make a heat roller out of stuff that you have in your own house. Now, you can use anything cylindrical. For this demonstration, I'm going to show you on a tube of caulking. But you can use a can of hairspray as long as it's empty, because you don't want it to explode. You could use a rolling pin, anything cylindrical and hard. You'll need a few microfiber cloths, and if you didn't get the squeegee from us, a couple of credit cards or bank cards, and we'll show you how to tape them together and use them properly, just like a squeegee. First thing you're going to do is take your two credit cards, bank cards, or whatever cards you got. You're going to put them together, and then you're going to tape both sides of the cards together. Once you have them taped together, trim off all the excess tape. Now, you'll use this taped edge whenever I'm showing you how to use the hard edge of your squeegee. But for right now, you're going to take your microfiber cloth, fold it so it's just a little bit outside of your taped cards, then fold it together, just like that, and you can use that as your soft felt edge to squeegee. Now we're going to show you how to make your heat roller. So with a tube of caulking, I'd like to use 2 microfiber cloths just to give you that little extra sponge, so when you're rolling it over a Tolex case, it's going to get into the grooves. You don't have to use 2, but I find it's a little more helpful. So the first thing you're going to do is start rolling it up over top of whatever it is that you're using, a rolling pin, tube of caulking, just like that. And then we're going to show you how to crimp it together so it doesn't come apart. As you can see, I used a couple of paper clips. You can use anything, paper clips, safety pins, doesn't matter, just as long as you've got that together. Then you're going to put tape over top of that. A couple of layers of tape. And this is just so that you don't get those pins poking through your vinyl. Now when you're using this, you're never going to run this line across your vinyl, right? You're going to hold it in place and roll it with your hand like that and back, and then move it forward like that. Try not to use that edge because you don't want those pins or paper clips poking into the vinyl. And that's it. We'll show you how to use them. Take your rolled up cards, and just like I showed you how to use a squeegee, do the same thing with your cards. All right? Easy as that. Now remove your microfiber cloth. We're going to show you how to get around the corners using your taped up cards. Now we'll show you how to use your homemade roller to make the vinyl cure to the case. And you'll notice as you use it, you'll see the texture of the case start to show through the vinyl. And that means you've done it properly. So get your heat gun or your hair dryer with the diffuser. Heat the vinyl up first and go over it a couple inches at a time with the roller. And remember that the vinyl adhesive is heat activated. And as you can see, the texture of the case is showing through the vinyl. That means you've done it correctly. So do that over the entire case. A couple inches at a time. And you're done. You just installed your graphic like a professional would with your homemade tools.